smells so good. Babes,
Yeah?
cook y'all cook?
Yeah, a little something.
Yeah, shit, she can't cook. Last time she cooked me, I have diarrhea for 2 weeks. I want to eat her food. Oh, sounds good.
I have a surprise for you.
Eh?
Mm-hmm. Here you are.
What is?
It's Jamaican cuisine.
You cook this? You?
Yes. I've been practicing to make it for you.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I know how much you like it. Go ahead, try it.
Taste it still. Tastes good still.
Right?
Why you don't suck me like that? No. Oh.
Maybe I'll start.
Okay. It tastes good still. You sure you cook this?
I made it, baby, for you. You like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Good. I have more good news.
What?
You know my cousin who works in the immigration offices?
Yeah.
She fast-forwarded your papers.
What's her name? Betsy?
Becky.
Oh yeah, Becky.
You are now a legal Canadian citizen.
Oh, for real?
Your whole name right there. Look at that.
Oh shit. I'm not even off and married you again. Oh my god, yes. Oh my, oh shit. Babes.
Don't lose those.
No? I'll lose this. Babes. Holy shit. All this for me?
All for you, baby.
Oh shit.
I have more too.
Yeah?
In order to celebrate you becoming Canadian now.
Uh-huh.
You know those pasa parties?
Yeah.
Mm.
Dancer. Yeah.
Mm. I've been taking classes.
Yeah, where?
Down the street. And I got a few moves to show you.
Yeah, let me see that.
You want to see them?
Oh no, I see everything.
Everything?
Everything.
Okay. Without the H, right? Every.
Yeah. See?
Oh.
Uh-huh.
See something?
No, that's what I do, baby.
So they show me something like, there's like a little hip roll, like this. Oh shit, maybe it was the other side. Like this, yeah. You like that, baby?
Babe, what that?
Puppy tail, baby. Like puppy tail? Yeah, puppy tail, right?
What the bomb book?
I know all of them.
The one drop?
The one drop. Oh, the one drop, like one drop. He goes, one drop. It's like a one drop.
The bogo? Is
Oh.
yeah, the bogo.
Oh, you teach me that.
Can you teach you that?
I can improvise. Like this.
Oh.
Looks like a bogle? Looks like a bogle, right?
It look like something.
Yeah.
What that you do? Hot up?
The hot tub?
Hot up.
It's hot, right?
Hot still.
I don't know how those girls do it. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. You know, like burn yourself in stoves.
Yeah.
Hot tub. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Pon the river, pon the bank, or what?
Oh, that's a tough one, maybe. It's like that. Go down the river, right?
Don't slip. Don't slip and drop. You know.
No, okay,
You good?
okay.
You good?
You don't like it?
You know what, babes? This, you're good. You can't keep this. No. We're good. This not gonna work out. This not gonna work out. We're good.
What are you calling?
Not gonna get milk.
We have milk.